I first started teaching accounting to MBA students, I noticed a recurring challenge. Most of them weren't trained or were not training to become accountants. They were future managers, analysts, entrepreneurs. They needed to think like users of financial statements and not like preparers. But without understanding how those statements are built, they struggle to interpret them meaningfully. The traditional double entry system is mechanical, time consuming, and frankly incompatible with the pace of a B-school curriculum. I knew we needed a better way, something intuitive, something logical. That's when I developed the transaction to statement logic model, also known as TSL. It's a 5-block framework that simplifies accounting by replacing the double entry system with a logic-based flowchart. Students classify transactions through decision points like is this a cash or a non-cash transaction? Is this an income or an expense or an asset or a liability? From there, they can directly map the transactions to the financial statements, so a balance sheet or a P&L. Then came the breakthrough. At an in-house GenAI workshop, I realized that tools like AI Studio that let you build custom applications, no coding required. I thought, what if I could gamify the TSL model, make it interactive, iterative, and fun. Using prompts on Google AI Studio, I vibe coded the TSL Power User Challenge. So students could log in, sort transactions into 5 blocks, incomes, expenses, assets, liability, equity, and then trace them to the financial statements. It's not just a game, it's cognitive reinforcement with a timely feedback. So as soon as you give an answer, you get a feedback. As they level up from beginners to pro level, they build clarity, reduce anxiety, and gain in confidence. However, before launching, we had to create a backend on Firebase to observe responses and figure out what would be the right time to introduce it in the course. How would it maximize its benefits? And we had to gather feedback. The feedback was encouraging. Students felt more engaged, less intimidated, and more in control of their learning. And for us as educators, it opened up new possibilities for adaptive learning. This video is for educators like me who want to reimagine accounting education. The TSL framework combined with GenAI is a great way to power up your MBA accounting classes.